goosebumps every time. I need the Heimlich, throw that to the side. I get those goosebumps every time.
Welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to do something a little different. This is going to be a normal sort of cheat day. Nothing crazy, no records, no competitions. Just what I would eat on a normal, relaxed cheat day. So we'll start with meal one. It's just at 2 o'clock right now. So you can kind of see what I would do, which it would usually consist of probably 2 meals and then maybe a snack later. So we went Greek today. We've got 2 gyros, which I know that's not how you say it, but it's how I say it. We've got some donuts from Meijer. So don't get fooled. The grocery store donuts are often good because they're baked fresh. So we'll do a review. And I know it's weird. We went to Mezzi to get Greek food, but I also got grilled cheese on a pita. So we'll start with the meal. Like I said, this is just kind of what a normal relaxed day of eating would look like without going for any records or anything. So we'll start with gyro number 1. And I'm just going to keep calling it a gyro. This thing is huge. It's like as big as Chipotle. Look at this. And 2 o'clock, Saturday, meal 1. Alright, so we're all done with the Greek cheat meal. We will be back for a donut review, but I'm going to take a short 5-minute intermission. And we're back with some donuts. So we just ate our wonderful Greek cheat meal on our Saturday. Again, we're just relaxing. This is how you can do a cheat day without eating 10,000 calories and going crazy. So we're going to do a review. These donuts are from Meijer, right? Now, I get it. It's a grocery store, right? But they are made fresh. So we'll do a review, see where we're at. Let's start with this lovely donut here. Okay, time for the donut review. Overall, very fresh, which is one of my key indicators on the donut scale. But nothing out of this world. Pretty generic donuts. I'd call it a 3. It's better than average, but I'd put it at a 3. So try out your grocery store donuts. Like I said, they are often very fresh, but often not as good as your local mom and pop bakeries or donut shops. We'll probably have one more meal today on this casual cheat day. We will see you later. Thanks for watching.
Right later.
Alright, we're back for the second meal of the day. If few hours later, we got Rusty Bucket, we got chicken wings, and a wonderful burger. So, we're going to get right to it. As you can see, we have gone for new records today, and this is how you can have a nice, normal day where you enjoy food. I will say one thing, you don't really want to get to the point where you're starving yourself all week and then you're gorging on food on Saturdays. It's really not very healthy physically or mentally. So we'll end up eating a lot of food today, but as you can see, I'm not just throwing it down my throat like I haven't eaten in weeks. I felt pretty comfortable throughout the week, and that's really how you want to feel. Sometimes I think all the cheat meals give the wrong impression, and it's really, for a fitness lifestyle, you really don't want to have 12,000 calorie meals on Saturday like you've never eaten before. So with that, let's get started. I am hesitant to eat buffalo wings in Columbus, Ohio, because the best wings are in Buffalo, New York, and that's usually the only place we get wings. But these actually look pretty good. So we get to the food, see where we're at. Enjoy the meal. Doesn't look too bad, huh? Alright, so that's the end of the meal. I might eat some ice cream, cookies, a little bit of donuts later. I don't know if I'm going to film it or not, but this would be what a normal, chilled out cheat day would be if I'm just hanging out, not going on, going for any records. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Maybe I'll see you later for another dessert. If not, please like, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.